Myself and Mark did the doc on 1 back in November 2022 when we wanted to talk about the Spiritans and the child abuse that happened in Blackrock College. And we did the doc on 1, who produced by Liam O'Brien, and it went out, and we didn't think any more of it. And the response that came back was just overwhelming. And then Mark and I went on to the Late Late Show, and again it was unbelievable, the outpour that came out. The standing ovations was just unbelievable. And then the Minister for Education wanted to start a scoping inquiry, and I've just found out recently that it hopes to be ready early autumn, which will be great because it'll be unfortunately Mark's first anniversary when he suddenly passed away last September unannounced. He had a massive stroke. He was under a lot of pressure, and Mark gave me my voice, and he was my rock. In the last 9 months, Mark brought me out of a shell. I was able to stand up for myself, and I was able to talk about child abuse now, and this is why I'm really on a campaign to help others who have not come forward yet with child abuse. It's been horrendous. It's not just the Spiritans, it's all over the religious community, and for this scope inquiry to come out, I hope they have to be accountable for it, the religious orders and the state. What they've done, they've neglected children. And we're older men, and a lot more men will hopefully will come forward. Some are still silent, and hopefully again now today doing this, that somebody else will just pick up a phone and talk to either Rape Crisis Centre or 114, and that's where the ball starts, and that's where I started, and I'm grateful for it. I mean, unfortunately some have passed away, and there are still more people coming forward, and more people are being found out. Over 200 people have come forward since we did the doc on 1, so let's hope this continues on.